did. Like, what's happening here? And I thought about it, but I figured maybe they'd be plowing the highways better and it wouldn't be so bad. Oh my God. Yeah, 5 miles an hour, stupid. With their hazards on. Like, if you can't drive, don't. This is insane. Oh yeah. Yeah. Why are you in the left lane with your hazards on? If I'd have put my fuse in before I left the house, I would have. Come on, hit the gas. He's out of your way. Can we please just go? Thank you. I want to get to work and get the whole freaking video from the drive. Like, this is ridiculous. Like, it's snow. Okay, I get it. Be cautious. Now get out of my way. Why can't you always want that? Not even 30, babe. We're not even doing 30 miles an hour. I don't think so. I don't think so. Like, it's just the people driving. That's it. This is ridiculous. Thank you. At least one of them. Yeah. Just frustrating. I know. You know me. I just get irritated. Yeah, there we go. Very slushious. Which one, the big ones or the small ones?